Hello friends, this is JP from ATSS IT Services with Cal State University East Bay. Well, ATSS has recently adopted a new management server cluster called Casper Suite, and the reason why you're here is probably because you're part of the initiative to help build the system for the campus community, especially for the Mac users. Okay, so what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is we're going to be creating DMG or PKG packages for Casper Self-Service. And what Casper Self-Service is, I want to compare it to basically it's like an app store or Play Store for your Android or for your iOS device. And you just go in and you download the app that you need for your computer. And pretty much it's not free because like we do own the licenses for it, but on the user side of things, it does feel free because they just pretty much click download and it gets installed onto their system. Okay, and this tutorial we're going to learn how we can package items such as Microsoft Office or Firefox or even Stretch Break. Okay, these are the steps that we're going to be using to build the app. So if you want, you can stop the video, see if you can go through it yourself. If not, you can go further with this video and I'll show you step by step on how you can create an app. Okay, first things first is that you do want to close out any programs that you have open right now. Okay, so you can see down here I have PowerPoint open. I want to go ahead and quit that. I also have Safari open. I want to go ahead and quit that as well. I want to keep Camtasia open because it's what we're using. All right, so since we have most of our apps closed, we're going to go ahead and launch Casper Composer. Hopefully by this time you've already installed Casper Suite onto your iMac or your MacBook, and you should have these apps right here. So we're going to open up Composer. Once Composer is open, you're going to want to go ahead and create new because we're trying to create a brand new package. Okay, we're going to click new. We're going to click normal snapshot, then next. Now you're going to want to create a file name for this package. We're going to call it Firefox 38.7.1. That's just a version, ESR. And I'm installing onto Sierra, so I'm going to go ahead and put Sierra on here. Okay, we're going to click next. This part's going to take a little while. I want to say probably 10 minutes, so we're going to speed through this video and I'm just going to jump ahead so you don't have to wait 10 minutes like me. Alright guys, so the package has taken a snapshot, and what we're going to do is we're going to create, okay, I'm sorry. We're going to create a package source, but before we create a package source, we're going to have to install this software first, so the app. Okay, I already downloaded Firefox from the internet, and I'm just going to double click and start installing it. Drag into the apps. Alright, I want to close that, and I can just eject that. Alright, so, but before we create a package source, what I want you to do is I want you to open Firefox and close it 3 times, in total 3 times, okay? Make sure there's no issues. Are you sure where you want to open? I want to click open. That was 1. Let's open a second time. No more messages, great. And let's open it one more time, just to make sure. Alright, very cool. So, we're going to go ahead and quit. And now, all the changes that we just did, we're going to want to save that, okay? Especially the changes of installing, opening it a couple times, making sure that we close out any dialog that is not necessary for the user. And we're going to click Create Package Source. This might take a little while too, so I'll go ahead and speed up this video. right, let's move on, guys. So we just took a snapshot and the after snapshot. So it recorded pretty much all the changes that was done to this computer. And now there's a couple of these things we want to do first. Actually, it doesn't look like there's too many changes, so we're going to click on Library. Okay. And we're going to make sure all the mode is 777. If there's any other folders up here, we're going to want to keep it at 777, okay? And then since there's folders inside here that we want the mode to be 777 as well, we're going to click here and we're going to apply permissions to library and all enclosed items. Okay, so now when we go into any other folders in here, the mode is going to be 777, as you can see here. Okay. All right, guys, now we're going to build it as a package. So we're going to click Build as Package. And then we're going to click Save. And there you have it. We have a new package that we're going to upload into self-service so that users can download Firefox in the App Store as if it was like an Apple App Store. All right, well, I hope this tutorial helped. If you still have any questions, you can always contact me at area code 818-639-9806. That's 818-639-9806.